Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Yes. Umufagani tomutegera nabebuza. Bo balwanira mu makanzu ani agatunga. Ani akoza. Afghanistan tewabulanga ko lutalo.
Balwanira mu makanzu. Balwanira mu makanzu.
Naye ani akoza amerwa. There are things that you cannot understand. But President Museveni wrote a document. Nagamba the Americans will win in Afghanistan. Why? The Soviet Union was defeated by Americans. They were supplying weapons kubachi. Abali Bin Laden, bebali balwanyisa Soviet Union. Era omusajja bamuyita Najibullah, bamukwata mu embassy ne bamusala yali president wa Afghanistan. Yagwa bamulemesa okudduka ku airport. Ne bamusala. But the Americans even had a disorderly departure after 20 years. But Museveni wrote a paper, New Vision, Habit, advising, arguing that the Americans should go to Afghanistan. And arguing that America bajja kuwangula. Because he's a general. Yagamba, yawandika n'agamba nti Addis Ababa Mogadishu nyangu nnyo. Nageraageranya wano nti abasikale bayita wano ne bayita wano. It's knowledgeable. So if this Muhozi is not a takataka soldier, he's a celebrated general, has told you, it is not easy too. Yabagamba abayekera begundi be Ethiopia. How has the war ended? I was watching Obasanjo there. The government of Addis Ababa, after wasting a lot of resources and killing people, as was pointed out, nti bayina ensonga batayigure rebels. How has it ended? Abaganda bakugamba nti leke mandu etule nga kyeyalagula kikoze eki kituukiridde. He told them, I would like to say man like Muhozi, because Africans waste a lot of resources. Nti bano bali bango ba mu state house 10 years ago tebali wazanti njapo kulieti mutumukubanga tumutwanga tumutwale nga agenda akole nga je tumunyako nga tumunyala ko nga tumufole ekidoli bwe tunyamu bwe tunyala bwe tukomya the Mirundi son who was here before you came mbakoledde hapo ko ya myaka ki
kituufu
bayina omusango gwe hege kubalemeddeko kati ndaba omusajja omukadata akabazanyanga tena nalabye ng'oli amukubira essimu akwera nkosa. Make sure that Mirundi gets his money. The man who was saying that Rich Mirundi is a nuclear bomb is now telling minzani yono njiwanise minzani njiwanise pala kola munya minzani yewanise wali njoka ngolowooza ki wali njoka ngosobola kumpangula gwe owangulenze gwe. Kakati Abafrika bakozesa nnyo resources has made my family suffer. Alowooza nti njaba recording zizange sijja ziba wow president yabasente noziwamba. He must come on his knees. I was watching him ringing Uncle Sam. Make sure the Canadian gives him money so that he goes back home and do his work. You argued that a poor Mirundi, a rich Mirundi is a nuclear bomb. Now okifiiriddwa tayinza kwata kuba president wano ojja kimbia ojja kudduka bodu n'obujozi bwo kubanga ojoza abantu bangi nkulemeddeko n'otujoga n'enkulemerako nga nange njagala by'omunyabonyeza myaka 24 naawe ultimate goal y'okufuga eggwanga tojja gifuga kajja omuzira omuzira ffe tumwagalako ekintu kimu
kitya.
Somebody came to me and said but you support him was very much. Do you know his secondary performance? I said no. Don't tell me. Over performance here, rich over here. Church here, where because of your neighbor was the best prime minister.
Ninge because we never go.
Tata we na mugandi nyamba church here. Oyite because of your machi. Church here yakola John Major yasoma by correspondence. Yali Minister of Finance Bungereza and the Prime Minister. Era he imposed a ban on his exams. Omulabe waffe musuma omulabe waffe yasokola enda z'abantu omulabe waffe yajoza abantu ngalowooza tebanyaffe bazaala bidoli ne babitwala mu State House batunieko tufuuke ebidoli buli omwani yemu twagala ekintu kimu kutukubira mujozi ono mujozi akubwe ku ttaka bajoze bonna bamulabeko ng'akimbiya tulabe ku mulambo gw'omu ffe tunaafa tetulabyeko ku mulambo gwa Musuma ate nze ndi mugezi why because nze nabakande esaawa
babiri
so far it is a two horse race tewakyali agiyingiramu Museveni ne mutabani we
bebakande tiboolina
ati be baliwo is a two horse race.
Oyina ekintu kyogiraagira n'eŋŋamba
it is a two horse race
oba mu ebiri mu ggwanga obiraba Robert Kyagulanyi omuteekawo
taliimu Muganda
omuganda yabaaki
tasobola era bamwagirating n'addayo mu Buganda ne Semwogerere era oba teyatujereganga there is a party when you read their names Sendegeya Semwogerere Sebana Kizito Sendabula Sani because what Obote did yatujjako abasoga 11 ekumi ne baddayo ewaabwe kyesimira ne bamusiba to reduce Buganda deep to Buganda mwalimu MP nga bamuyitaani nga bamuyita twalina Nyakasula nga tuyina gundi onazaala ono omwana owa Uganda Airlines gwe bawadde ekirabo tekinawandikibwako namawulire
bamutuulaki
buswala obuferebende bwa monitor buswala obufekete bwa monitor obadde bumukuba buswala obuferebende tubuyita buferebende bunyakababo mu Baganda twayita bunyakababo abusirwe ennyo tubuyita bunyakababo obunyakababo bwa monitor n'obwa bukedde kubanga bali bamukuba aleme kumugamba nti yascorize yafunye gondi mu Africa ne bumukuba n'avayo nemba bana embajawo mbabyenno nkabateera mukampulira nkabateera kakati nkubulira negamba nti muwozi Museveni amusingi muwozi amanyitaatawe era okusifa when the Banyarwanda in the army in the UPDF left for Rwanda Museveni and Habyarimana were attending the UN conference in New York. Museveni ranga Habyarimana to tell him that the Banyarwanda in my army have fled. Habyarimana did not answer. No, he went to France from UN to mobilize. That's why Museveni looked for a woman called Anne Mugisha. Do we have a person who can handle public relations? When Museveni arrived in the interview, press conference, we told them, this is one of our best people. Habyarimana should negotiate. Habyarimana refused to negotiate. He refused. When he visited here, the regime has told him, recognize us by giving us passports as Banyarwanda. He refused. He was taken to Luwero to see the impact of the war. Habyarimana yagamba nti Rwanda eringa girase yajjula. Ezzike erimu eriri mu Akagera National Park lisinga Abanyarwanda 10 abakomawo.
Allahu Akbar.
How did the war end? With Israel, with 100 Tutsis, and who is in power now?
Kagame.
Because he refused to do what? To negotiate. Obata was always told, why don't you negotiate with the Museveni? Why do you talk about Luwero? Talk about Mbalala. Talk about if Museveni is complaining about rigged elections, let him sukutesa. What did Obata end? He left the Uganda in a kaboot, topped by his enemies, his army. Why? He refused to negotiate. What about Southern Sudan? How did this man, Bashir, convince the Northerners of this and the Southern SPLA? Yagala amasomero gonna, nagwala colleges onna, ne bakkirira mu South, ne bafu. Nejako Trabi. By the time yagamba okuteesa nga buli nnyumba
erozezzaako
kati bwolaba mu Uganda nti buli muntu alozezzaako bujozi mu Uganda buli omu alozezza obujozi bunuka obujozi bunuse naye ng'obujozi bukolebwa omuntu omu obunuka omuntu omu yekka yakuba akataka yababaani yakuba. Museveni's problem is
scenario z'otuwadde.
Museveni's problem is one person who has uncontrollable ambitions for the presidency. Yakuba abantu bonna nange yankuba naye ku luno yateera emmandu okateera amandu anti yineeseza akabi kali bakaliijemu byemwanise ati ebyewaffe byaganye nakubuulidde ebyewaffe byaganye toteesa nabo abatujoganye balina okuleeta ekita ky'omwenge bano bateebulaagati nolaba abalokole bwe beetikka omwenge kutakulabyeso mutulaba tuli wano you see when you see us dressed in nice suits you think we are abalokole
omulokole agenda kukolaki
when you see us dressed in nice suits you think we are gentlemen we are religious we are abalokole ekiri munda muno nenkugirako egundi oyita okulanga emisale gisinga omubiri ng'emisale egindiko gisinga omubiri ng'eddagala lyennina muno lizitowa kiro 4 olaba akasajja akatono bwekati naye nga bwe bakateeka ku mizaani kalina kiro waliwo omwana yalwala omusujja nomutwala ekitovu mu ddwaliro ng'azitowa kiro 15 kati bwe bamutundula envunza okuddamu omupima ng'azitowa kiro 15 ng'envunza zibadde za kiro 2 kakati nyinza okuyimirira ku minzaani gwe ogenda okulaba akasajja akatono nga ndi mu kiro 4 naye abanzitoyezza nga gwe tabaala abakozi ba state house nga tobamanyi omala gatabaala
scenario z'otuwadde katono nnyo nga bagamba abantu okuteesaganya ye president Museveni bamugambye naye ateese ne Kyagulanyi ye tabiraba.
Let me tell you, these are political wound matters. But when it comes, when people pick up arms to fight, you must understand. Are they terrorists? Like Kabari Mozambique? Are they separatists like in Spain? In Britain? Bagan to cover referendum about Scottish bagenda bakolechi. Bagende. Era Queen bambuli anti referendum isezwe yakanti bagenda babagenda. So kakati olina okumanya M23 is it a terrorist group? Is it fighting for objectives, sensible objectives? Are they Congolese or are they not Congolese?
They have spent time in Congo.
Singa abarabu bakwata sente ne bagula amagye ne gakuba esepero omudugavu aweebwa mulema.
They are covering in the guise of being Tutsis or
Are they Congolese? Why don't you, before a war means it has gone beyond logic? Omulabo ye Chief Justice Owinyeddolo yafuuka lawyer w'abayeekera n'anegotiating a deal ne Museveni yatunuliranga abayeekera tebalina magezi ye n'abayingiramu Owinyeddolo negotiated a deal with the rebels. Museveni yasayiningako n'omusajja ng'Okero negotiated ki wa Bishop Northern Uganda. Museveni n'atuula naye signing agreement for peace. The Nairobi agreement yatwala sente mbeka yatwala biki, but by the time it came NRA yali emaze okutegeera nti egenda kuwamba Kampala. Era Museveni yagamba nti we shall storm Kampala and suppress the world. Yes, bagenda okulowooza ebyokuteesa. Habyarimana yagaana okuteesa yafa ava mu Arusha kuteesa. So I buy this man's idea. Okay. I buy one because he's a field general who has been there in the field, who has seen the ground. Tanyime binyumya bino byagundi.
Bulikanaku tunonya
babaki. Kali bya Joni.
Tunonya babaki.
Muhozi si wa Joni.
Hata nyo wa Joni.
Muhozi yet si wa Joni. Muhozi is a field commander.
Ani wa Joni.
Muhozi wa Joni.
Wa Joni ya.
Is a field commander. Who has testimonies Chanda was looking for Chanda and they told me that Chanda is outside. I wanted to talk to two people. Kasula or permanent secretary have something to do with agriculture. Sister agenda what to move us. It was for formality. Narisagara kuno na mukolo kwa mugozi The person I forgave is Mwenda. Why? Mwenda has come my leading advocate. Omusajja mu West End. Yesterday I went to somebody who is highly going to speak to him. We are quoting a word. We are not following your money. You have already supported Museveni or hearted it. These days you are changing. I'm not changing. Have two candidates. Museveni's return means to retain my poverty. No kubana. Museveni has a failed.
Okuda kwa President Museveni.
Yes.
Kukumira mu bwavu.
Yampa sente zange mukodomi nasi kwata soda mugambako. Lwaki se playing a card zange n'omupya.
Anakununula.
Familia nze njja kufanga mwanabona. Ndifa sibaddeko minister.
Oli mutuufu.
Yes. Omanyi bano tebalina buntu. Do you expect me, a person you have suffocated for 24 years, now to side with the side where you are? How will I recover? Nze siribeerako bulungi.
Oli mutuufu.
Yes. Abantu bano nabagaye tebalina buntu. Toyinza kudya muntu abadde prime minister, speaker wa parliament, number 7 n'omufula minister. Muleka agende kadaga mutagende. Lumumba secretary general nti ali wansi wa Nakadama. Wali olabeko nga Lumumba ayogera. Has Lumumba uttered a word?
Sinawe mulaba.
Ono musajja gavana wa banka mwamuleeta ne mujjamu omulimu gwe ebweru. If you don't want him to be governor, mukolere shuffle mumuwa bwa minister wa finance. But will he become Uri Kaseke and Mwago and Muganda? Yes. Are you sensible? Are you human? Why would you go? Museveni engineer cheatam. Museveni abikorabani. Ye yini binarisa ya Mugoba, Namujam security, Namutwari regional cooperation. He says, because I was idle, this is when I started writing my book, Song in the Master Seed. He says, I don't even remember what I did. I attended one meeting. Yero achabi korabani. A speaker of parliament to become a minister. A man like me, who has served you for 14 years. Dedication, Mama Gabamukubi. Advisor. Advisor 1.7, Gadia million. You are humiliating me. You know, I'm intelligent. To be impaired. On one umugezi. Boy, I got to move a Simon ategeera nti lwaki agitwala ekitegeezo kiri mu value
era akiremera n'atandika n'okukaala
nanga ayino inflated titles and non-inflated titles ate gavumenti ya Museveni tosobola gikoleramu abaana bange bakyalidde nabbanja naye yabakaabidde timwenyinaza nkubira bwerere nange ndi bubi kakati who is happy buli omu yenna bamutuuze buli omu bamutuuze buli omu bamutuuze kuba they have the hunting dog mentality.
Premier na yali.
We know kujoba kolere ng'olingwa ekintu kina bannanyini kyovola baba kyayenyo oyo mumuleti oyo muntu wa ate muyina kyakola muwozi yabakubye ona ayina okubeerawo kubago bayina yekka. They have not invested in any ye ayina okuuma properties ate ng'ensi yamukyawa nyanuka ensi yamukyawa tugenda muteekako diikula mukube. Dikula gena mukubakalu.
Dikula yani.
Oyi. Andi mukalu tugenda kuteka mune dikula ne muwozi. Kati zero.
Dikula jakora kyakubiri.
Dikula jakubona. Tunenda twagale ono akuwe. Message egende gye bali nti you are hated. These are hated people. Yesterday he said, Amin never humiliated abamukoledde.
Kituufu.
Amin yatanga batamukoledde. That's why. Is it Nubian or is it Ram? Amini kizibu nnyo okutegeera baali banubi
oba basiraamu
oba nationality kubanga osanga ba Francis Nyangweso
nga mwe baali nabo
very powerful people. Amini yateekawo minister for religious affairs Matia Lubega nga mukatuliki. Amini
yali badde musiraamu
ndaba na dini yabagulira emmotoka za Benz ono yatwala twakita kuzitwala wangirikani church temuwa kaluwaabo adirekerezi ekkanisa yebemuwa yokka
kuba gye yawa.
Yes. Naye obote naye teyattako wa UPC nga komuledi naye omusajja abakoledde nga nze nentunulya abaana bange nga tebasoma nentunulya nyabo nga ali mukago gwe nzija nkwegayire gwe nga nkwegayirako ki nate lwaki nkwegayira mulenzi gwe atubonyabonyerera okutuuka wano tebayina mu mutima musaasizi nakamu gwolina okujogebwa gwolina okukiza obujozi gwolina okukiza ekyo sibajja kumpewo ayina okujja kumpewo ogende omufukamire nga kufukamirya koli kabakulamule abewaffe kabakulamule kakati amuteere
Tamale waliwo muzika ne Lugaba aba M23 abaita his brothers
yes
Kagame naye agamba bali babira bapushinga kuba nti negotiation wezi lwaki bakaye bakipushinga
Congo needs a federal government identify whether these who are fighting are Congolese. When they are Congolese, they have complaints. The reason is, this is what has made Congo Chifurukwa. Why should ADF, maybe when Mowoze went to Congo, has now found out the causes of these people. You come to understand his problems. Museveni has pacified the Karamoja. Yagina nabajjako emundu n'abakonvinsinga n'akola ki okujjako akati buli kyakola kyonna to defeat a revolutionary you must force him to do his early achievements buli kintu naye nga mutabula aliogo atabudde gavumenti ya Museveni aliogo ayina yamuteekamu ekibuka nti alifuga eggwanga lino kyatasobola tasobola kulifuga naye ekibuka ekiri mu mutwe nga tebannakirumika okumutegeeza nti tolifuga ku ggwanga nebalabye nga bagamba mbukana arrest take him to the court mass nazze kulya okwate ku mwana wabaka gwe nazze kulya what type of strategy is this nti omuko eyawasa omwana wange muwala wange gwayinza okudivorcinga muwanti obusika bwange nebwemba neryana lyange nga siru size kujja ono bwamugoba
kiba kiwe
what guarantees that tajja mugoba what type of reasoning is this so kakati nze kugamba nti mumugende nimulabishinga buli kintu kyonna as you people you want to bring this useless doctor as you people you use statistics and stupid newspapers like Buketa and Monitor nti to justify nti bantu bagezi veterinary bidadi sali this is real listen to the man who has been in the field
ku ground abaddeko
tayogera wungo iye sibya musenero oyo musenero yiyo nyama ya sasi musenero yiyo mfungwa anatembea tuje kumuyora tumuguze ti sente wakozesa mmeka how many other countries have used this money squandered this money twine kizungizi gachikolachi twine kizungizi ngachikola yuki oketani
chagenze kuketta
you people Uganda that has problems which cannot
disasters
oyinache
yo mutaka
musenero kuluno bye ye musenera abye akadeka genda okuvuga omanyi abasajja bagenda ne bakola
bwe mu expert time
omanyi abemikoro bagenda ne badira babaganti mugenda kumana mu kifo kine sawezi satu kakati oli abatamivu omanyi obola nti omwenge tegwonona mugagga ate omwenge gwonona omugagga abonene b'omwenge baavu nkubejja bagunywa nkubejja
abafunye
onywaki naire special taliyo anekakirabu kankole omubiri gwina okumanyira ekika ky'omwenge eki
olina okubanga omya kimu
kuba gwegulira firiji yange erimu olwo tribes of beers ati omwenge tegusobola kwonoona ki
bawadde essaawa 3 omukolo
ebbiya nazikuweka mu magulu saawa 3 zigenda okutuuka nti banaye mufulumeti wali afulmusenero sajja kufulumya busuma musenero wajjidde ngaobusuma bunaatera okukoma let us evaluate and you see this way parliament the parliamentary committee should sit and evaluate in our needs do we need a useless chitoyi where should we invest our money a parliamentary alimba Museveni amfumbira mayuni we are intelligent that have more resources than you that have invested in a stupid venture like yours
Kenya
ali kugambye
Kenya etusinga nayo investinze mu satellite
anti kyekubuulira ekikwate kyekimu bakwate yeggwanga limu ne lijja waliwo n'abasajja baali bagezi bagendanga ne bakuwandiikira nti balina ekitongole bakiyita International Editors Association kiri mu America nga bakuwandikira ebbaluwa nga bakuga nti Mr. Mirundi tukulonze okukuwa ekirabo ye naye yino kisasulira ekyokwetwerezo n'abantu babiri nze babimpiriza nembugamba I'm not interested bali babbi era nabalabanga bawandiika abasiru the American Editor Association of Editors has appointed me. No, these are thieves.
Okay.
NASA yefunamu.
So sife. We
have an East African community. Why don't you invest in one? When you have the same
the
same abagenda mu national park abagenda bebamu. Musene. Ebyo birimbe mukama. Birimbe mukama abo yali impressed.
Nemu abali emitwe gyenge.
Abali emitwe gyenge. Nabaga nti these people have no multiplier effect. Waliwo omusajja kankuvulire si gwe gusoose okuzanyira mu bintu byawa. In 1979 during Ibn Aisha's time twalina minisita wa health baali bamuyita Gondi Sebuufu. Not this Sebuufu yalemerayo mu Iran. Yaleeta ebigaali mobile clinics nga tewali ddagala tewali basawo tewali bitwe bibisika byafiira Entebbe.
Kati yali aleese byaki
anti nkubulya kulya ssente. Waliwo Menereki owokubiri mu Ethiopia yagenda mu America n'asangayo akatebe kamusanyalaze kano kebatisako abantu nga mu Ethiopia tewali masanyalaze yakabula n'agatwala
kati kakoleki
yakafuula Namulondo yakafuula Sironi
kwe battira abantu
erikatta abantu
Abafirika
enungana mulundu nga musenera akamuguzizza yakafuula Abafirika bwe bati bwe bali
Abafirika tulabi
Abafirika bwe bati
Tamale
amini bamuguza miji
Bobby Wine
miji 21 miji ki miji za mu Soviet Union nsinene wefunya gundi eno bweti ekube bomu zabanga
Uganda ebeka mazeko
Tanzania ezikuba nezimalawo ninga amini bamukonvince
ntigula
bamusenero b'ekiseere naye bamusenero balize buyise we are the brain people nabagaye nti look abakyala bano abalimu I'm suggesting this country needs a general to be Minister of Health. We need a general to be Minister of Health.
buli kimu kinabeeramu magye
Andi nkubuulidde you look what it is. Nabagambye nti abasiraamu bakugamba nti Katonda bw'akowa omukulembeze abaleetera endwadde ezitabona.
Siraamu ng'obumanyi nnyo.
Kakati kankubuuza, is it true nti Museveni Katonda amukooye? Why are we devastated than other countries? Lwaki buli
kizibu kikubaffe kati?
May I believe Busuma God likes Museveni.
Naye abanyazi
bebeefudde ekyo and abanyazi bazibu nnyo. Let me give you three things.
Okay.
How those women have undermined Uganda.
One.
The American ambassador, when America invites Bobby Wine, Museveni 2 days ago, yali akuta American ambassador
webale nnyo
Natalia has visited that area of Kassan. Museveni has never stepped there. What if today Natalia donates drugs as a Ebola? Kati oyo doyona no omukazi yetu amuwonye ye bamubye acheji ya bedwa na agenda bamukubye Museveni yamukonsolinze na kusoma kiwandiko ne mu parliament muhanga yatekinze da ate muhanga agenda kubeera guided by Mwenda tumukubireko mu ngalo satakinga Mwenda wayingira sinza kulumba Mwenda wayingira
you know comrades
we are comrades ezaziriye in fact let me tell you 90% of the policies in this government are done by Mwenda.
Are you sure?
Ate sibalaba Mwenda bavume nchane ekkulu Mwenda yabakulira ebiwandiiko
90% of the policies.
The person who does not consult Mwenda for nti bamuwandikira ekyo is Museveni. Many of these people era naye namulabanga mukambwe ngano batuyisanga balusula tolo nti abambowa Mwenda yaga nti abasajja bano batuyisanga balusula
mukola donkewa
nti bwoba tobabbye tebakuwako kantu nakamu. Kakati nkugamba nti what if we have a hostile country that is sending us viruses here?
ngakagenderere.
Yes, virus after virus, virus after virus, because the Japanese used the Chinese before the Second World War as guinea pigs. Why do we have viruses after virus? What if a neighboring country or a hostile country is doing this to paralyze us? So it requires an army man. They're not for me. I change after me. I change after me. They're not for me. Musene to Muleka Bemunni. Yamusene Muleka Bemuseveni. Pakadwana Mugwam. Chino Chidore Charisi Chimumaze. Musene Zoli de. Wewe mufungwa na tembe. Abantu bagenda kugwa. Nti musenero toyina kyokoze. Nebe bali kuyiga wano musenero bwe bali kuyiga abantu bali kuyiga musenero. Oli bala woyingi. Nerinye musenero bajja dikyusa.
Bakirize ku bakadde. Tuongere ku invitation ya Bobby Wine.
So okitegedde nti we need this can be a virus. Nga tuyina eggwanga eriteeka mu virus. Because when you look at the impact of viruses, one schools don't go to schools are paralyzed.
Yeah, true. The economy
is
paralyzed. Yes.
Kakati, it requires, it ceases to be a medical problem. This must be a security
problem.
Handled by a jail.
Okay.
Diana, talk, Diana. I change it, talk. Tunataka general. The ministry needs a general who can handle this. This is no longer health. No, the way you look at it, this is not health. Every time there is a virus. What if another country is experimenting on us to kill our economy? So this is it. You never talking. Change for me. Talk upesi. Then talk upesi. I change talk upesi. Tunataka jeno there. Tunataka jeno huko generali kabisa. Huko.
Kali.
Ekyombabuulira amutikolingo your mind. This could be done by a country to disorganize you. Bakuga nti ono COVID-19 was done by the Americans to destroy the economy of the Chinese. Era yatandikira mu industrial part where they had industries. One of the two wanted to use it against the other. What if we also have a country that is using this
against us?
Yes, because let me tell you, the Americans are the beneficiaries. How? Why are the American beneficiaries? Where are your Chinese allies?
And Russians.
Okay, China, because I've mentioned this. The Chinese with their heads will now go to Katsanda and donate. Don't do it. You have already exposed. And the Russians, they don't go use the Chinese. You accept that the Americans have defeated you. The only friend of Uganda, in the case of diseases, is America. Kakini.
Olulimi oyogera atutegeera omukyayina.
Bajja babuulira. Babikola oza tebalaba. Abachina badira abasajja abo. Ne baba waku ne balaba bayomba. We even brought problems to the Chinese ambassador. Omuchina yabawa technology bankube. Nimba bali mujjawo. Nimbyogera n'byogera nti omuchina yabakoledde guno. Zoom. N'ekikubane ngiteeka ku ttaka. Tumwebaza nati to omuchina ne mubane muteeka ku ttaka n'ennyumba ye nali njokeza. Kati ne mbalaba mu meeting nga bagamba. This man has brought to us problems with the Chinese. The Chinese ambassador was not happy because the man exposed it. Mbaliba. Kakati nkubuulira nti who is the winner in this? The Americans. The Museveni is quoting the Americans.
Yeah.
Because his Chinese and American allies are nowhere to be seen.
Yes.
And this affects what? What ambassador has been seen in the recent times with the president?
Natalie Brown.
Natalie Brown. Hey. Natalia. Yes, the most feasible ambassador in this country today is who?
Natalia Brown.
What does it mean?
America wangu.
Where you are watching and at the same time, the Americans have also invited who?
How we know kitegeeza ki? Natalie Brown is with President Museveni Biden is inviting Bobby Wine, representing African leaders, ayogere ku demokrasia, tocha n'ebirala.
Abamerika abo society zaabwe zirina ebintu zikola bweziti. You must study the American system and the European system because they operate in a parallel manner. A report from the ambassador is different from CIA.
Okay.
It can be different from FBI. Because the American ambassador wants a job. If they close the embassy, enough now. So the American ambassador is a diplomat. Foreign office wamujjawa. Wali omusajja yali wano ku mulembe gwa Clinton. Nga ambassador wa maanyi. Twagenda mu America nga asomesa mu kasomero ka nursery. Yes. But when Clinton, when Obama came, he came from foreign office. So they are very reluctant. A report from the American ambassador, a very lenient, where he has a job
to protect.
Yes. Many ambassadors don't, and the high commissioners don't go back. Basically, one in Uganda. Uganda is cheap.
Okay.
Kakati bali, aba planning America. 50 years, 10 years from now. Nabo we bali.
Okay.
Basinkers,
yes.
Planning in America. And the other American president, abena nichita kusosowaza ekikyajjabuzi basiruba abasomera mu bibya CBS beba byoge okusosowaza
tekiriyo
Uganda tekiriyo. PhD Dr. Masakazi Masazi tawandika nga yadde engeri ssatu. Dr. Masakazi Masazi wali wano onayogera ebyobusiru. News tezanyirwamu. News bulletin oyo tamanyidde ku ddala waliwo ekisoma bikiza anti egonde tekola bwete anti eteryo siru nnyo amodi tegazanyirwa mutegazanyirwamu kwa tembo. That man bayinza omulonda mu amanyo n'abalala ne bamukoppa. Tayina magezi mu mutwe. Tayina mu journalism gundi ati mu mutwe.
Okay.
Amawuli, you were given 15 minutes to read the bulletin of news. Ngerimu support, word news and domestic.
And domestic.
Kakati gwegaza dranyira mu dakiika ezo.
Odemo katembo.
Lukomandanta metwa. Bo simanyi busebufu wangu. Ebyo bijjawa. Do you see Rodriguez as reading His Excellency the President, retired General, Commander in the... Where do you get this time? Mr. Museveni has said this. We don't have a space. Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe babi jamu katemba ni babi later ni babi create mu professional here. Where we are serious.
Okay.
Kale kugamba. Nti bali aba balira America baba. The president wa America abera ne priorities ze. Biden is for human rights.
Okay.
Biden is for human
rights.
Too, I told you. The America is recruiting young Africans to be next leaders to flash out to the Chinese from Africa. Because the Chinese bakola ensobi. Nti China baba ku democracy. The Chinese don't care about democracy.
Yeah, they don't.
They don't have care about your countries.
Are they democratic themselves?
Ne president wabo. That's why I cannot send my son to China. Because of tourism. To study what? The Chinese Communist Party, they have 4 southern MPs who sit twice a year. They have made their president
like president.
What democratic
do
I learn from China?
Nothing.
The only thing I can learn from China is the control of their corruption.
Our Marundi.
You were Marundi in an island, you were shot dead, you were imprisoned, When these African leaders follow China for money, they don't know how these poor Chinese have maneuvered to get money.
The money, okay.
They are very prudent. Chovola we bakuono sasulya munyinde kisawe bakitwala. Yes, kubera sabe tebazifunya muki. The majority of Chinese are poor.
Chitufu.
GDP bafu. Yes, China has remained a poor country in fact of the surface moon and is the backward of the United States. This is just patronized the European Union.
Okay.
Nabagambye Joe. We have an organization called the BRICS, which was to counter World Bank and mulimu South Africa, mulimu India, Russia, China, Brazil, those countries. Kakati if the BRICS can erect an Indian Prime Minister. Kitegeeza nti even if you have a conflict with Russia, you got the Indians obajjeemu.
Kituufu.
These are strategists. Eggwanga libeera ne bastrategists. Abatabuuku ng'ate naturally gifted. Wanmubajje, olina kuba mwanda weyaye, olina okubeera mwanda weyaye mu olugosi olwokusatu, akujooga akunika ku mutwe akunyoleka akuteeka eno okkiriza ebyange kuki. An intelligent man like me ojooge. Nze sibwagala, oyagala bwa president nze sibwagala. Govaawa. Govaawa. Yagamba, how can a man from Zana defeat him? Yes, it's the brain. Not where you now we go get money. Go Sulaw. If the question of residency, go matters a lot. Bukokolo Bugayana. Go get money and Tunda Maguti. Today was on USA. Biden
is for human rights.
Yes. And they are saying Bobby Wine is a future leader.
Guchotalaba.
And Kubodi, the moment dynamics of the British Wawan. Bobby Balaboy, but Mamlabanga Goon. Dynamics is up with Vazibala.
Body careful.
Yes. Nobody would think by the backing, with the backing of Laila will win. Bamuyise omubbi bamuyise eki bamukoze batya Gachagua oyo vice we badde bamuvunaanako babiliyoni mmeka n'omusango baguggyeewo bagiggyeewo kakati abazungu abo problemu yaabo tebategeera nnyo local dynamics. When Obote rigged the elections in 1980, Margaret Thatcher said Commonwealth group led by the British. Bagamba. Akaluka Uganda kabadde free and fair according to African standards. According to
African standards.
Bachejjamu. Margaret Thatcher yagamba give Uganda needs an experienced hand. Give Uganda to an experience. Give it to Milton. Let me tell you, those Ibazungu are shameless. But their problem, they escape. This was the Thatcher government. Ngabali bangamba ne mungu ba ne muongeza nakalema iliko president. Mumpita musi. Nakalema yaliko president muongeza sente nganze munkanyusi. Muteka mu kitongole sente. Ebyo nakalema yabikola nakalema yali president. Kuno nakalema implement this. You had underestimated my resolve to fight. Mwali muluza ndi muwangula like others. Ndiga aiti bali akuba amasimu bampe sente. Byezali kuzali byantu kulakati. Azijeke neto zijeke. Zijeke mu Canada ja kuzimba. Gwere zo sizakala. Ejoke umurenzi gwere muddala. Talida mukuntabala. Kana nkugamba nti abazungu bwe bate bakola. This was such a government. This was G. Gundi. When Museveni went to the bush, the British government declared whoever sees Museveni in London or over the airports should arrest him and hand him over to Obote. When they saw that Museveni was winning, the British government invited him. This is how these Europeans are shameless. Mobutu, Reagan said, the strongest ally of the United States in Africa is Mobutu Sese Seko. When Mobutu was moving, Reagan said, George Bush, Mobutu is a creature of the past. This is how they do. There is a man in Chad, Hassan Habre. Hassan Habre was encouraged by America to attack Libya, where Libya lost 600 soldiers. Phosphates. As Gaddafi mobilized to retaliate, America had taken Nyonyibiri Bank, advanced warning planes. They remained in the skies for 24 hours. The French made a ready line that if Gaddafi attacked Chad, they would also attack. But Hussein Habre, who was the darling of the Americans and the French, became a terrorist, violating human rights. I last heard about him when he was in Senegal for trial. I don't know where he is now. So this is the trickery
kino kireka Bobi Wine
of these Europeans.
Ng'omuntu if the Europeans are using him like that.
Bobby Wine, cosmetics help
beautiful women, yes.
However much is pampered by these Europeans and Americans who have not looked at the local dynamics, you cannot benefit anything. That's my argument. These people have failed to understand. Nemba gamba, whoever wants to ng'ogyeko obuganda bwe, amwe muganda leke him. Ng'ogyeko kubeera omuganda, he must rebrand himself.
How and why?
Tojja kuba bidongo ng'olaga Dubai kuba bidongo fuuke president. Tojja kubeera mu studio ng'oyambadde bino. Baatukanye baakulaalira. No, abandon one.
Ekimwa kyerekereze.
For me, you're some drunkard. But who have ever seen me with the bruises? And who has ever seen me drunk? If I'm a drunkard, then I know the hours I drink. If I'm a drunkard, who can outsmart you and out-reason you? You look for the stuff I drink. Because I've never... Tebansobola tebali yo. Kino ekintu kyaffe. Ekya Museveni yasigaleko. Nabaga ekigongo yakisse. Kigongo muzzukulu.
Kasaya kyende osinze.
Nakana kakazi kankaniti. Akalinga otumuli. Akalinga kakajoke wa madivani. Kakana kalinga pati. Amuda gateway. Tokoboko. Baka kuba. Amuda you will get what you want cars. Not to koboko. Baka kuba. Manyaka kozesa. Nako kajite kubeka tinolutu lwako. You check. Bad money chase a good money. You wouldn't appear, you people. Ministers wouldn't appear. That's why I praise Saleh. Saleh has steered out of this mess. Have you seen Saleh commenting? And I salute him. Let the battle continue. What is wrong with having two people, Museveni and his son? We shall sort out with the situation. But at least now, it's a two-horse race. And the Muhozi is becoming more defiant to get away from his father's shadow. Kakati mwe ba kigongo, you reserve yourselves for the future arbitration. Kuba kati two horses ono jetayinza kujjayo mutwe bano bakubiddwa lwabogo yakubiddwa why tebayinvesting ngako muntu mulala babadde bamenyi yeye kabwa kitoloko nje sezala we namwa yage lwabogo yagende lwakitula ekisozi ngambe bakujumba bwe nasaba ministries
nya
ne bazimu buli omuwona najoge sino is hated, is the most hated Uganda. Tayina wayitira ate nga tebalina ofolo back position kuba badde bali abokka kakati you wait tulina baba
babiri
tewakyali mulala ayingiramu. We have Museveni and his son, and for me I don't mind. My concern is if Museveni retains power, I will continue suffering. Yes, nje kusigala mu bwavu mu poverty kuba bamugana okuyamba sente ne bazikwata nga talina kapasite zibajjako kati atona abankubye be bamukubye onaje kumpa
kali mzee Tamale nga tusiibula
onaje kumpa
abakwano ba boda boda bali bubi polisi ebaguddemu ekikwekwe
mbalabye nga babatwala emisinde
bababuza zi permit
nyamu happy let them create an army as you vacate areas because of the labor groups you create an army of unemployed people mbakubirako mu ngalo
polisi ngevudde mu bitundu boda boda muzikwata you creating
is it a time for hygiene this would be a time to ignore everybody because you don't know you are fueling labor activities
and criminality
tubakubirako mu mwebale nnyo mwasoma kisaka jja kwekweka mu kisaka ng'erinnyali mwasoma. Yes, what did Obote do?
Abana balina emirimu gyabwe.
Obote expelled Banyarwanda here. And Habyarimana blocked the border. What was the alternative of these people who were expelled from Uganda? To join the labor ranks. Mwasoma kisaka. How can the state council sign an agreement with the newspaper? Kasomala obufulubende bwa bukedde ne new vision. Kisaka. Anybody we atakana kasajja kasala amagezi kano kachufa tugabye wekitawo ko yakigania mudamu ereka takagabye chofa tugabye kasiri kakagezi kasiri
nawe
no ikisaka irale kweka mu kisaka when you hang you hear that you have a lion in the village. Is it when you you take your cows unattended to
for grazing?
When you see that there are rebel groups that must be looking for recruits, is it when you make even the people, these younger people who have been employed because of hygienic conditions? Tubakubira ko mungalo. Omukama agulumizibwe. Omukama agulumizibwe. Omukama agulumizibwe. Omukama mulungi. Omukama mulungi. Kisaka. Omukama mulungi. Omukama mulungi kisaka. Omukama mulungi kiseera kyonna. Niba nabasajja ni ababalira. When you see the groups attacking the police and the police is running away like rats who have seen a cat, Negovasanze hari Ebola ekyabakazi mukiyiga abenzi nikeshigala mukubu yaduse omupolisi yaduka nayo yaduka ono yali yatuludde mu mbuga ya Walumbe emusindika busindi spasi nadu obufulu bwene bwabukende bugambo yadukidde mu nnika tukubebaka ez'abapolisi abakazi okwambula mu empale tulabe kikutagiza sawa mekango wejambira kirabika omusajja yabaketta n'abazuula nga bwe bamala okukola eja traffic bali akebola